How to convert Ethereum to USDT on Binance. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to convert Ethereum to USDT on Binance. So in order to do this procedure, you just have to follow the steps. So first thing first, you have to go and log in into your account and make sure that your account is completely verified. When you're logged in from the home page, you need to go to the icon located in the top left hand side corner of your screen. Here you could go and locate convert. When you locate convert, here you need to type in from what you need to convert to. So you need to convert Ethereum to USDT. So from, type in Ethereum or ETH. When you locate that, next you need to go to the to section and type in USDT. You also need to type in the exact amount of asset that you wish to convert it. And here you have to go and enter the exact amount and click on trade. Next field, you'll be provided with all of the information that what sort of amount will be converted and all of that. So confirm it, and with that you'll have successfully converted Ethereum to USDT on Binance. So that's basically how you can convert Ethereum to USDT on Binance. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.